My name is Roland Harris. I'm a senior partner at the law office of Cohen Harris. I've been a practicing attorney for 15 years, and I don't know how many times I've been in a courtroom and seen somebody absolutely mess up their protective order. Now, I've won a lot of protective orders, and that's because I follow 3 rules. And I'm going to tell you what those 3 rules are. It doesn't matter if you're the petitioner or you are the respondent in the state of Maryland. You will greatly increase your chances of winning your protective order if you follow these 3 rules. Rule number 1 is know what the law is, okay? Know what the law on protective orders is and what it is that you need to prove in the course of your case, whether you're trying to get a protective order or you're trying to have one denied. Know what the law is. Rule number 2 is know what evidence you need in order to get and prove what it is that you're trying to prove, okay? So that means if there's certain testimony that you need to be able to have and to be able to present to the court, that means that if you have text messages, that you have them set up in such a way that you can present them to the court, you have them printed out, they're ready to go, but also at the same time, you might need other witnesses or other evidence to authenticate the evidence that you're trying to move in. So know what evidence that you need in order to prove your case. And rule number 3 is get to the point, okay? Now that you know the law and you know what it is that you either need to prove or disprove and what pieces of evidence you need in order to be able to do what it is that you're trying to accomplish, get to the point. So don't sit there and beat around the bush and talk about all different types of things. It's irrelevant, and it makes people wonder if this is what you think is the important part of the story. And so I don't know how many times I've been in a courtroom and people are in there talking about all types of things that have absolutely nothing to do with whether they should be granted or denied a protective order. Now, you can decide to go into a protective order hearing and treat it like a traffic ticket and represent yourself. If you do follow these 3 rules, you'll greatly increase your chances of prevailing at the protective order hearing. If you'd like to get legal advice, you can contact my office. My number is 888-585-7979, or you can check us out at cohenharris.com. Thank you.